Hey friends, if you encounter the error code 15100 with MCP management service, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So it's very easy. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now make it standard. Scroll for the MCP service, okay? MCP management service. Double click on it to open its properties and make sure that it is set to manual. Okay, it says error code, failed to read description, etc here, but it doesn't matter. Just make sure that it is manual and it will not trigger by itself or cause you any problem. So you can let it be as it is. Click on apply and then on OK and restart your computer. Obviously, if it is automatic, then it may cause issues. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.